Hey guys, I just woke up. It's like 7 o'clock and the Tooth Fairy came. So I'm gonna open some cards.
She gave you cards instead of money.
Yeah.
Alright, which I never heard of.
I'm so tired right now. I'm going back to bed. Oh my god, I see an Islander.
Oh, yay.
Oh my god, I think that's Barzell.
What would you think? That would be great. It would be our first Barzell card. Oh, it's rookies. Oh my god, it could be. Please, 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 please. Be Barzell. Be Barzell.
Okay, come on. Pierre-Luc Dubois, Nico Hischier, and Josh Hosang.
Ah, at least Hosang, but he's sent down to the minor league.
Still.
You don't have a Hosang card?
Hischier
and it's his
again.
rookie card.
Oh my god, Hischier.
I didn't. That's a whole pack of rookie cards. I never saw that.
Yeah, glossy rookies.
So
I have.
You don't have a Hosang, right?
After the thing, I'll show you how. Like, I have 50 Nico Hischier rookie cards. Like, seriously.
Since you got that share, it's harder to focus.
Huh? Oh my god. Oh, that's like a cool background. Colin Wilson and throwback.
Bless you.
Throwback of Patrick Marleau. Another Nate Schmidt. Wait, I'm going to put that in here. Bonino and Verbata. Oh my gosh.
I wanted to get Barzell so bad.
I'm just tired as heck.
Let's get the Tooth Fairy note out of there. Ooh, don't worry.
Patrick Eves, Alex Ovechkin,
Slower.
Ryan O'Reilly, and Adine Hill Young Gun card.
Who?
Coyotes, Adine Hill. And, oh, I like Bernice Shaw. Poyat and Green.
I can't. It's weird. It won't focus.
Holy crap, I'm tired.
And I can see that. You woke up too early.
Paul Martin, hey Joey.
Uh-oh.
Tyler Ennis, Thomas Tatar, and a UD portrait of Martin Neckins.
Neckis.
I have no idea.
The dog.
Jimmy Howard, Jack Johnson, and Patrick Kane.
Joey, hi. Good morning, buddy.
Hey, puppy. Good morning.
Hey, puppy. 15-year-old puppy. Oh, you sound great, Joey.
Oh, wow. David Pasternak, Jacob Trouba, Alex Radulov, Ron Hainsey, and David Krejci, Riley Smith, Ryan McDonough.
Don't you have a million Ryan McDonough cards?
I just want to punch that card. Devin Dubnik.
Joey, you sound horrible.
No!
Why is it so out of focus?
Alright. Alright, so Dmitry Orlov, Chris Letang, William Carlson, Brent Burns, and
Oh, nice smile.
oh shoot!
What is that?
Yes!
Who is it?
A Young Gun canvas.
Do you even know?
Martin Neckis. We just got him as a
What is
portrait.
a Young Gun and a Young Gun canvas?
Young Gun canvases are worth a lot of money. Hey,
Oh,
Joey, what's up? Oh, shoot.
Okay.
Oh, boy. Let me do something.
Do that after. You need a
Wow.
flat task.
No, I don't.
A flat task?
No,
Yes,
I
you do.
dropped them.
I know, but
Burns, Ekblad, Nieto, Jokinen, and Orlov.
Man,
What do you want?
I can't see the cards if you have them on your lap.
They're base cards.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Sliding. Hey, little puppy. Joey, look at Mama. Come here. Look. Oh, he doesn't care. He doesn't care.
Ryan Sutter,
He
Mike Smith, Cam Atkinson, and another Jesper Brand Young Gun. That's a good Young Gun. I'm not going to complain about that at all. Oh, shoot.
See, you need a flat task.
You don't say. Trevor Johnson, Streff Skinner, Elias Lindholm, and Darcy Kemper. Kemper.
Okay. Is that everything?
Yes.
All right, you got a couple good ones, right?
I got a lot of good ones. I'm just too tired to react.
Okay, so goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
Good night. Good morning.